Hey everyone, if you're running a salon, spa, or fitness business, you need a booking system that gets client in the door. Today we're comparing Booksy and Vagaro to see which one helps you book more clients. Let's break it down in 2 minutes. First, Booksy. Booksy is all about making booking easy. Clients can book anytime through a simple app or website, even on their phone. It has a big marketplace with over 38 million users, helping new clients find you. Booksy's Boost feature bumps your business up in search rankings, which can bring in more bookings. It also offers free marketing tools like 500 monthly texts and unlimited emails to keep clients coming back. Plus, all features come in one plan, no extra fees. But adding staff costs $20 per person, and some say text reminders can confuse clients by showing the Booksy name. Now, Vagaro. Vagaro is a full-on business tool for salons, spas, and gyms. It offers online booking, a client app, and a marketplace to attract new customers. You get cool features like coupons, gift cards, and client tracking to understand what services they love. Vagaro's Paydesk POS makes checkout smooth with a dual screen setup. It also has a website builder to match your brand. But extra features like text marketing or custom forms cost $10 to $50 more per month. And some users report glitches or slow customer service. So how do they compare? Both Booksy and Vagaro make booking easy and have marketplaces to draw in clients. Booksy is simpler and cheaper, with everything included in one price. Great for small businesses or solo pros who want no fuss scheduling. Vagaro has more tools like payroll and inventory tracking, which is awesome for bigger businesses but can get pricey with add-ons. Booksy's Boost might edge out for new client bookings, but Vagaro's client tracking can help keep them loyal. Which one's better? If you're a small business or just starting, Booksy's low cost and big marketplace make it a winner for booking more clients fast. If you run a larger operation and need advanced tools, Vagaro's extra features might be worth the cost. That's it. Pick what fits your vibe and start booking more clients today. Like and subscribe for more videos.